Hey everybody, gonna do a quick teardown video on these knockoff earpods. It's just gonna be a quick teardown because I actually need the lithium battery that's in there. It applies to a Bluetooth speaker that a friend of mine's kid had in the battery and it went bad. So I don't have any spare lithium cells around that'll fit in there, but I know this one will. So just to show you what these are just some inexpensive fake Apple earpods. You can charge them in their little holder, or you also plug it in to charge the charging base up. So take the earphone parts out, and we need to get inside here, or I want to get inside here. So this just pops off, and that pops out. You can see it's just two tubes. You can see the way these go in. And then there's little pins inside there with the connector. And this is what I'm after. Get it just up. They got the tape loose. Oh, it's caught on the wire. There we are. And then to get the board out, it's not screwed in at all. It's just kind of clipped in. So if I squeeze, I should be able to, yep, there we go. Let's pull the board out. There it is. Now these come out in two ways. The this part comes off. Let's see if I can just pull it off. Yep. And there's the speaker. And then there's a really tiny lithium battery. Even if it has any markings on it. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to short it out. I don't see any markings on it, but I know it doesn't store much. Comparison in battery size. And then there's a little circuit board with the receiver and stuff in there. And it goes down to the charging port. So I'm going to keep these little things together, and I'm not going to trash the bottom. Well, I'm going to leave it like that for now. But I'm going to save all the charge, this board. Just pop these off and save the charging board and the headphones. We'll just dump it all in there. I'll throw all that in a bag. So I'll probably end up harvesting those little batteries at some point. But for now, I'll just keep it all together in case I ever decide to replace this battery in here. You only get about an hour charge out of those earbuds, so, I'm sure these are sold cheap. I got them for free, so I really have no idea what they go for, but they can't be more than, I don't know, 15, 20 bucks, I'd guess. So, that's those. And now, I guess I'll call it a bonus. Let's install this battery. This battery has a protection board on it, so I don't need to reuse that one. I'll save it. I just need to reattach the battery to this and then screw the board back in. Alright, so I moved over to my solder pad. Let's get this all hooked up. So positive is the right pad, negative is the left pad. Just gotta tin the red wire. There we go. And then I'm just gonna refresh the solder on the left, or on the negative. And I'll we'll trim it. What did I say? Positive, negative? Yeah, all right. All right. Let's see if that did it. That's power. So let's see if we get any. There we go. Beautiful. So I'll flip that back over. That goes here. And then he has the back screws. So I'm not going to be able to screw the case together, but I do have these two screws. And I know his kids will be pretty excited. They can have their little speaker back. All right, buttons all line up well. And then I just probably should have held on to that double-sided tape, huh? Let's see what else I have. I'll just reuse the tape I had. Let's see, that'll go there. There we are, just put a little sticky pad there. And then just wrap these wires up. Yeah, I like that. That'll work. Because then we have the back cover. Make sure that all feels good. See this side. It's like that rubber's loose. Oh, nope. I almost ripped the wire. There's that wire right there. That goes to the charge port. Make sure that's down, that's down. There we go. Much better. There we go. That's a quick tear down of those cruddy fake earpods, and then installing the battery in this I love portable hands-free Bluetooth speaker, the Odd Mini 6. So if you have any questions, stick them in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.